Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I've completed. This one is a Valentine love romance type journal, and I've used a kit from Tsunami Rose, and I will link that below, so pop over and check that out. So it's a soft cover. It's kind of like a traveller's notebook size, but you wouldn't be able to insert it because I've put this rosette trim on there, and the designer cardstock, it's got these lovely hearts with keys on there, so I thought that was quite apt. I've got one of the Tim Holtz book plate dies, and it says today, tomorrow, forever, and then 2 pieces of bling. The the seam binding can come off completely, it's not attached. And let's go inside. So the remainders of the designer card that I used, which was a 12 by 12, I've created these pockets with. I've got some library cards here from the kit, some handmade tags, and journal pages here are from the kit. Isn't that pretty? I've made some pockets. This was a larger page and I've cut that down, and whoops, I've got some tickets here. That's from the kit, and the library card and the journaling card is from the kit. Handmade tag, so then pop that in there. And that just sits in there. We've got a doily here and paper bag. There's some telegram note cards on there. These are just some of the other pages, and I've just cut them in half, and the other ones somewhere else in the journal, so you can just journal on them. They're paper clipped on. Isn't that a pretty page as well? These were larger journaling cards. In fact, this is the other side to them, and I just cut that down and created pockets with that. Handmade tag and another library card. This is not from that kit, but it is from Tsunami Rose. It's one of the full sheets that she's got. I can't remember the name of it. I think it's something to do with birds, maybe. Anyway, I thought it had a nice romantic feel to it, with the old postcards and the roses and the flowers and some bling on there. So that goes on there, and that's paper clipped on. Whoops, another one of these large telegrams. This is a nice pretty page. Here we've got another pocket. Again, this was from a full sheet, cut it down. Love the little boy and girl on that. And here we have a library card. Again, there's quite a lot of library cards in this. And another journaling card. And a large tag. Quite a few sheets here to journal on, and I've got some hearts on a string in the centre. Here we've just got some more library cards, journaling cards, and handmade tag. And this is pretty because it's got 2 little birdies on there. Another telegram that's just been paper clipped on with another excuse me, with another large folder. Again, this is from one of Daisy's collections. I think it's from the same one with the birds. Another one of these journaling cards, again, that was just chopped off from there, and it's a pocket, large tag, and a library card. This was the other side of the other page, and it's just a journaling card, paper clipped on with a large telegram. Paper bag, and another little fold out ticket, or tickets. Index card, not an index card, a library card, a journaling card, and a tag. It says stop, smile, breathe, life is beautiful. And again, another pocket on the back with a handmade tag and a library card. So that is the journal. I will put Daisy's link to Tsunami Rose below, and this is listed on my Etsy if anyone's interested. And if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.